Here's something most students don't realize when choosing a college. The same degree can lead to completely different career outcomes. Even inside the same university, even with the same qualification, even when students have similar academic backgrounds. And this isn't just a theory. Real placement data from Indian universities shows exactly how different the outcomes can be. So the question isn't simply which degree should I choose? The better question is which combination of degree, branch, college, skills, and opportunities gives me the best outcome? Let's break it down. Let's take the most common example, BTech. A student can graduate with a BTech in computer science. Another can graduate with a BTech in mechanical engineering. Another can study civil engineering. Another can choose electronics. Technically, all of them are BTech graduates. But the job markets they enter can be completely different. And that's exactly what recent placement data shows. At IIITDM Kanchipuram, for the 2025 to 26 placement year, the average CTC for computer science and engineering was about 13.89 lakh rupees. For electronics and communication engineering, it was about 12.34 lakh rupees. For mechanical engineering, it was about 8.60 lakh rupees. Same university, same BTech level, very different outcomes. These are not predictions, they're actual placement figures reported by the institute. So when someone says BTech is BTech, the data says otherwise. And this isn't limited to one institute. Look at NIT Warangal's 2025 to 26 placement data. The average CTC for BTech Computer Science was about 29.9 lakh rupees. For electronics and communication, it was about 22.55 lakh rupees. For electrical and electronics engineering, it was around 23.34 lakh rupees. Mechanical engineering was around 12.53 lakh rupees and civil engineering was around 11.61 lakh rupees. Again, same institute, same BTech degree. Completely different average outcomes. This tells us something very important. A college brand matters, but your branch and the job market connected to that branch also matter. Now, here's where students can easily misunderstand the data. This does not mean CSE is always better. And it definitely doesn't mean mechanical or civil are useless. That's not what the data proves. For example, at IIT Bhubaneswar, the 2025 placement data showed an average package of about 23.2 lakh rupees for CSE, but mechanical engineering was around 14.77 lakh rupees. Civil engineering was around 14.8 lakh rupees. Those are lower averages, but the placement rates for mechanical and civil were still above 90% in that reported data set. So salary and employability are not exactly the same thing. A branch can have a lower average package and still provide strong placement outcomes. This is why students shouldn't reduce college selection to one number. Now let's make this more interesting. Suppose you choose a strong college, but you don't build skills. You don't complete internships. You don't work on projects. You don't prepare for interviews. Your college name cannot do all the work for you. At the same time, a student from a less famous college can sometimes build a strong portfolio, gain relevant experience, and compete for opportunities outside campus. That's why career outcomes are created by multiple factors. Your college, your branch, your skills, your internships, your network, your location, and the opportunities you actively pursue. Think of your career like a chain. If even one link is weak, the final outcome can change. So before choosing a college and course, don't compare only college versus college. Compare them across 5 things. First, branch. What jobs are actually available in that field? Second, placement data. Look at average and median packages, placement rates, and branch-wise outcomes. Third, opportunities. Does the college provide internships, projects, hackathons, industry exposure, and research? Fourth, your own strengths. Do you actually enjoy the kind of work this branch leads to? And fifth, return on investment. How much will the degree cost, and what kind of opportunities are you realistically buying with that investment? So, why can the same degree produce completely different outcomes? Because a degree is only one part of the equation. Your branch changes the opportunity pool. Your college changes your exposure. Your skills change your competitiveness. Your internships change your experience. And your network can change the opportunities you discover. That's why choosing a college should never be which college has the highest package. And choosing a branch should never be which branch is trending. Ask a better question. Which combination of college, branch, skills, and opportunities fits the career I actually want? Because your degree may be the same as thousands of other students, but the career you build from it doesn't have to be. Subscribe to Shiksha Search for more practical college guidance, career insights, and smarter education decisions. I'll see you in the next video.